Oh my god, I need more sleep. Say good morning. Ash? This is Omanationtv. Say good morning. Alan, why are you so cranky? Asha woke you up? Alright, let's go. I know, breakfast time. Oh my god. These boys. Look how my... If we are further from this stairs, oh my god. Boom, 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 dumb down. Yeah. Okay. Boom, boom. Sorry. Sorry. I know that hurt. I'm sorry. So, it's morning, another day, another stay-home day in quarantine. We are right now here and ready for breakfast. Asha?
Yeah,
Asha, you have to eat breakfast first, okay? It's too early. Ash? Alan, your food is coming, okay? Don't cry, I'm making your food, okay? Sorry, I'm making your food. Give me a minute. Sorry. You know, breakfast time like this, the kids are cranky, especially when they wake up late or go to bed late. So I'll get it out like in a minute.
Alan, who's crying? Alan. I'm sorry.
Good, George. You hear? Okay, good. You hear the shout.
I was surprised. I'm like, why is he crying? Sorry. I'm sorry. Good morning. Cheer up. I'm sorry. I was brushing my teeth. Sorry. It's okay. Sorry. Sorry, it hurts. I don't know why you keep hitting your face. I feel like you have to put like something. You have to put some foam or something there. You turn the camera the other way. That is going to come in the back. Sorry. Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark. I'm sure. Sorry.
Now you're full, right? You can be quiet.
He's jealous. Hey, boo boo. Hey, say hello to the camera. Alan, say hello to the camera. Cereal? It's cereal, okay? Cereal? Cereal. Because you have eggs just
So I gotta take my tea.
That doesn't work.
It's called Slim Active Herbal Tea. While everybody's doing breakfast, I'm doing tea. Let me do like Donald Trump.
Because that's not true. Babe?
What's not true?
How often do you drink your tea?
I took it yesterday. I took it 2 days ago. You saw I woke up and went to the toilet because be careful.
I don't believe what he is saying.
Why wouldn't you believe in what I'm saying?
I'm saying you didn't drink the tea. I'm saying you drank the tea, but I'm just saying. Won't make you think it's gonna work. Won't make you think it's gonna work. You have look at you have another pack over here. This is not my size, so it looks big on me, okay?
Because you don't let my clothes rest.
I barely have hoodies. What are you talking about?
All my t-shirts, all
But
my clothes,
but I don't have.
my boxers, everything. You have taken everything. I have nothing to wear, guys. Nothing. Jesus. What did you sleep on? Was it on my boxers?
Because it's comfortable.
Yeah. Now you have my hoodie on. Later on, you will have my only God knows what.
I don't know why you're complaining. Like, you should be happy. I don't have, like, I'm not wearing you because I told you already.
Hey, eating, don't touch anything, okay?
I told you already. I own everything. Relax.
You don't own nothing.
Whoa. Look at Alan take away. Like, Alan, you want to eat a little cereal? Cereal? It's cereal. This is sweet. Why are you doing your mouth like I'm forcing you? What's wrong with you? Okay, so he has a little. I don't know why he was playing and he bumped his head. He was trying to walk and then he bumped his head. So this, I think this is a leg.
Why?
What? Don't rush me, please. You're not paying me to do this. Don't rush me. Don't rush me. I'm trying to feed two people. I'm trying to feed two children around me. Okay. Gotta feed my two children. Alan seems to like normal food, so he pretty much eats everything. Anything you can think about. He eats fish, eats rice, eats swallow, all kinds of stuff. How do people drink? I don't know. Asha likes warm milk. Eat cereal. I just cannot deal with warm milk. I don't like my cereal soggy and stuff like that. Oh, my cereal gonna be mushy and soggy and stuff like that. I don't like this stuff. I like my cereal cold. But do you like cereal? I just don't know my cereal. If you guys see Oma eating cereal, you know, like Oma has like cereal and cold milk, sugar, wafers. I'm just trying to let people know what you do. And now you're drinking slim tea.
Slim tea, guys. It's good for the body.
Okay. Okay, no problem.
I do one in the morning, one at night. So I literally eat like once a day now, right? Don't I? Don't I eat once a day?
I'm not gonna blow up the cover. But God knows you don't eat. You do not eat once a day.
Don't I eat once a day?
You don't eat once a day. Oh.
Don't I eat once a day? Hmm?
Ew! Oh my God, that is so nasty. I don't want none of your sleep stuff.
Corona.
Coronavirus. Baby, please can you help me with
No. You good now?
So mean.
Hmm?
So mean.
You good now?
But can you just help me with a paper towel? So I can use it to wipe Asha's mouth.
My baby.
That's why he be crying. I know Alma and Alan, they have this dynamic. I don't even understand how to explain it. Like, they are fond of each other. Like, Alan, you're gonna block Alan's face. Alan goes to him for everything. That's why you see him crying. But he never cry. Like, when I have to give him food, I don't know why. He's so patient. But he know I'm the boss. Like,
Boss of what?
catch that dirt. Mr. Man, if I know you're going to eat, I need you to be very serious with the food you are shopping. I don't need you to be acting like that. You have to eat and be serious, okay? This is food we are talking about. It's very essential. We ran out of bananas. We ran out of bananas, so we gotta buy banana for Asha. You know he likes bananas every day, so that's a part of his routine. So he's a little thrown off because he didn't have banana yet. So I like to eat. That's how they sing it? No, that's how they sing it. Anya. I like to eat.
This is why he's happy.
I like to eat strawberries and pizza.
No.
Yes, that's what they said. They said, I know it's apples and bananas, but they said it in one of the stuff they watched. I like to eat apples and banana. I like to eat apples and banana.
I like to eat eba negusi.
Yo! Let me tell you, this thing you're doing right now, I don't know what it is, but if you think this is the healthy and the way to lose weight, can I be honest with you? Honey, boo-boo. It's not gonna work.
But I do a lot of exercise. Picking up these kids and what they throw down. Do you know what I arrange every day? Do you realize?
Yeah, what we arrange every day, we arrange it.
Picking up stuffs, carrying stuffs, bathing the kids,
Going upstairs and downstairs.
Sorry.
Mm-hmm.
Doing all the work. I do, guys, I work a lot. Jesus.
Whoa.
I work too much. At night, I will still work.
What are you working at next time?
Someone will not let me sleep.
Hey, reverse. Go back. That's not where. This one you're not gonna do.
You didn't let me sleep.
This one you're not gonna do, babe.
You did. Do you let me sleep?
So I don't get the part where you say I work all day. What you been doing all day? Because we've been indoors for a month and a couple of days now.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm like, I work indoors.
You pretty much go to the garage, you go to the living room, you go to the kitchen, you go to the bathroom.
Picking things and arranging.
Not picking things. You just walk around the house. Alma just walks around the house. I mean, I can get it. You look bored. But you just walk around the house and go to the backyard and you sit down, oh my God. And then it's like, I understand you can think that you're doing a lot of things, but...
I'm doing a lot. You know, women never see what the guy does.
Well, I ain't slimming down. I'm slimming down on my own terms. I'm taking my time. I just had a baby. So I don't know what...
You just what?
I just had a baby.
Alan, how old are you again?
He's a baby. Look at
Alan
him.
is a year and a month old.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry.
You see?
Sorry.
Because you called him a baby, you lied on him. Sorry.
Look at Alan. Do you guys think he's not a baby? Alan.
Alan is a year and a month old. Like you are literally ripe to carry another child.
Alan is a baby.
You know, right? You know you're ripe for another baby.
I'm not. I'm what? Right.
Yeah, you're
I'm
ripe.
alright. Sorry,
You're ripe for a baby girl. Guys, don't you guys want a baby girl? Although Shanana will carry her more. Now come help us carry her because these two boys.
We're actually, like I'm saying, we spoke with the doctor and stuff like that. We're pretty much done having kids. Because as you all can see, why are you all up in my face? You need to go. You need to go shave. You need to get. I don't know. Can I do your hair for you? Can I shave your hair for you? Why? I don't know why you don't trust me that much to shave. It's just so easy. You line here, and line here. That's what you guys do. That's what you guys do. Then you do shave stuff.
So what do you want to use?
You know that thing that I use to clear my eyebrows? That's what. It's what I use to clear my eyebrows, so it's very good. I see them doing.
I feel like eating this in your head.
I can do. You know how you have to do like in a line? Then I put powder. It's not that thing called powder that makes it like white, so you can see like there's a clear line. I actually have a clipper for weed that I use to cut my weeds. I have a clipper. Then my clipper is popping. I can help you shape here, and then shape, and
oh yeah. The 30th.
Yeah, right. Pretty much. You're right. It's almost like
it's crazy, man.
Mm-hmm.
So we got up, fed the kids, and we're gonna find something to do now.
That's what we do pretty much every day.
Yeah.
When the kids wake up, Ashley comes to the room, our room, and then
wakes us up,
and then because Ashley for some reason his time is like. But sometimes we're up before he wakes up, but we just chill and we just talk. That's what we do, right?
Stay safe. Subscribe. Turn on your post notification.
And then
always try to leave a comment.
Then
when you can share the
watch
video.
the ads.
Watch the adverts.
Yeah, let us know because a lot of things a lot of things did not change yet.
This is the new face mask.
A lot of things did not change yet, so pretty much that's just what it is. Anyway, guys.
You know your own hair can kill you.
So guys, oh my god.
Anyway, bye guys. Talk to you guys soon.
Bye guys, later. Bye. Let me kiss